Hi there, I'm Dallas Hassan with my partner Nuris Alicia from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG division, and today we are thrilled to introduce you to this incredible 5-room HDB flat located at 719 Woodlands Avenue 6, spanning a huge size of 1,300 square feet with 4 individual bedrooms that is just a stone throw away from tons of amenities and facilities. Take it away with Nuris Alicia.
This home offers a perfect combination of space, convenience, and modern living. Before we enter, let's take a look at this huge corridor space that adds almost another 20 square meters to your home size. As you step into the living room, you'll be welcomed by the generous space and natural light. It's an ideal space for relaxation, entertainment, and creating cherished memories with your loved ones and friends. Positioned in the corner, this dining space effortlessly links the kitchen and living room, presenting a functional layout for entertaining 8 or more guests during dinner gathering and fancy occasion. Introducing a spacious kitchen adorned with elegance and functionality, this exceptional cutlery space boosts the added convenience of a service balcony, perfect for seamless meal preparation and hosting. With its thoughtfully designed layout and ample room for creativity, this property sets the stage for culinary excellence. Moving back to the living area, this unit has 4 individual and spacious bedrooms providing comfortable accommodation for everyone in the family. The master bedroom offers a peaceful retreat complete with built-in wardrobe and an ensuite bathroom. The additional bedrooms are versatile and can be transformed into home offices, playroom, or makeshift room to suit your needs and fulfilling the requirement of extended and large family. One of the standout features of this flat is its high floor with covered walkway leading to Kampung Admiralty and MRT and a stopover to the bustling Causeway Point. Nature lovers will be delighted by the proximity to beautiful parks and greenery. Take a short walk to Circle Green Park or Woodlands Crescent Park Playground for a nature-filled evening. Not forgetting Woodlands Waterfront Park with its stunning coastal view and serene walking trails is just a short distance away. It's the perfect place to relax, exercise, and spend quality time with family and friends. For those who enjoy sports, the Woodlands Stadium and Sport Hall offers excellent facility for various activities, giving the atmosphere of almost a mixed development. Surrounded by excellent schools from primary to tertiary, offering a complete educational ecosystem.
In short, this 5-room cozy home represents an exceptional opportunity for comfortable and convenient living. With its close proximity to various amenities, it's a steal and a worthy value proposition. We are pleased to always welcome you with another notable and beautiful home. Connect with us to learn more on your real estate success planning today. Yours, Dallas and Alicia.